Alrighty, sorry about that. Kind of popular in the neighborhood. I had a neighbor stop by. Okay, back to where we are. We have removed 2 bolts out of our 4 there's a 10 millimeters. Back to what we were doing. Now do keep in mind these are at different lengths. So you'll have 2 long, and so far I have short. So we're down to 3. And the last one's a short. So we have 2 shorts, both on the right side of the cover, 2 long on both sides, the left side of the cover. On to removing the cover. This is a bit tricky because of up in here, it is very, very close, tight. They made this thing like a perfect cutout of it. So you gotta get this thing to fin angle off here just right. So, see if I can't get it done for you. Now you won't be able to get this fully covered off because it is still up here attached to your clutch cable. Don't worry about disconnecting the cable. We're just gonna put this whole thing off to the side very gently. Now we can see all of this good stuff. This is what we are after. So this is one of the things nobody I can find anything information on. It's like a really, really old way of, I think, of doing it, like safety lock on the nut. So if you pull it off, you'll barely see the head of this bolt poking off. Don't try to take it off. You'll mess things up. Don't do that. So what we got to do is you'll find yourself a couple of hammers and pry bars, hammer, and what we need to do is get these outside teeth off of the inside teeth. So the easiest way to do so is very gently but vigorously tap them out of the way. See that? Oh, come on. Yeah, now it moves now. We're almost there. Just make sure that the bolt, for whatever reason, can never come back out unless you really, really want it to come out. And you have to do all this for it to come out. It doesn't just fall off. And this had to all find out by myself. And once you separate those, well, come on, guy. There we go. Once you separate all of those little teeth, this whole plate will come off. See that? And these are what we were trying to bend back, but not on this one. The one plate behind here grabs it all the way around, so it can't move. So you have to peel those little fingers back one by one so you can relieve this plate. Put that to the side. Now we have the bolt of the head fully exposed, so we can put a socket in there. See if I can figure out, remember what socket it was. 1 second, some other kid. There we go. Okay. I have a, well, wow, my socket don't have a number. Well, ain't that about a bitch? Sorry. I don't know what size it is. 18 is what it looks like to be. 17 millimeter. Okay, so we're gonna take your 17 millimeter. I don't know if y'all can see that, but the whole time I'm doing this, it's still just leaking out here. Here, I'll give you a close-up of what we're dealing with. Do you see it there? It's puking out that seal. So, again, that's what we're after this whole time. It's after that seal. We're gonna get all this out of our way. So we take our gun and we give her all she's got. I've loosened it, and we're going to take it off. Now you have, as the bolt is, bolt, plate, spider plate thing, and a washer behind it. Put it all to the side. Now you have your sprocket. It's just a little bump, comes right off. And we are going to pull that down and out of our way. And we're going to go ahead and move that sprocket. We'll put that in later. Right now, we're going to put that chain down evenly where it don't bind up and get wadded up. And now we have Phillips heads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sorry, kind of wrong. And you also have one 10 millimeter bolt here. He's a little sneaky guy, don't forget him. So we will just go ahead and start with a 10 millimeter so we don't forget. Tell me the bolt. Set that to the side. Now these guys, I ended up going and buying a smack ratchet to get them off. Because I had this one way down here at the bottom. This is the one I had the biggest problem with, because if you had a screwdriver, this arm and everything gets right in the way, as you can see. So you can't really get on it. Straight behind it is kind of behind this frame. If you go up, you're at an angle. So mine was a problem. I couldn't get it off. I actually took a Dremel to it and sat there and and ground down that head until boom, I could get the whole plate off. But